delicious. Why has no one ever thought to make these? The warm cheese is just crazy. The nuts, the olive oil is just amazing too. Why does everyone use with these cold cheese? No, use warm cheese. It's the first time I've seen it, so try it. Honestly, it really makes like something which is like kind of like a fresh salad, like tastes real dirty, but like really moreish. I mean, the nuts are just crazy. You can go through a whole plate of these entrees just yourself. Absolutely delicious.